Hello guys, welcome to Dr. Technology. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is expected to bring important upgrades to the main camera trio and creative improvements to everything else. We have been seeing leaks about this or that detail in recent weeks. Now Leakstar has posted an overview of the expected specifications. The star of the show, the foldable display inside, will allegedly remain at 7.6 inch. Samsung is said to be working on reducing the crease. Part of the effort to improve this display includes using tougher Super UTG. The internal display and external 6.2-inch displays will still use 120Hz AMOLED panels with resolutions remaining in the same ballpark, though the slightly different aspect ratios. Moving on the cameras, Bra writes that the main module on the back will have a 50-megapixel sensor. There's still an improvement over the 12-megapixel of a third-generation model, and the extra resolution will help bridge the gap to the longer telephoto lens, 3x optical magnification. Resolution for the telephoto and ultra-wide cameras will be kept at 12 megapixel. The in-display selfie camera is reported as 16 megapixel, but that was the physical resolution on the Z Fold 3 as well. However, the more complicated image processing required bringing it down to 4 megapixel. Whether that happens again this year remains to be seen. The punch hole selfie cam still remains at 10 megapixel. Samsung is expected to increase the processing power with the newly announced Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 along with more RAM, 12 or 16 GB up from just 12 GB. Storage should be the same with 256 GB and 512 GB options. The phone is expected to keep its battery capacity at 404,000 mAh and charge speed at 25 watt. That's about it. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 will carry over some features from the Z Fold 3. Things like the IPX8, water resistance, stereo speakers, advanced connectivity and S Pen support. Still without a slot for the stylus though. Samsung has reportedly started mass producing the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4, so it should be on the track for the as usual August launch. Analysts expect that the company is building twice as many of each model this year, expecting strong sales. Thank you. See you soon.